Today, we are going to install the new DRT Motorsports front winch bumper for 2024 plus Polaris Ranger XD 1500. Install time for this item is around 60 minutes and can be installed by yourself and comes in at a difficulty level of beginner. You will need the following tools for this project. So gather the tools needed and let's get to the install. Step 1. Remove factory bumper. Start by removing the factory winch collar and hook. Now locate the 4 bolts securing the front bumper. Each side has 2 bolts. Using an impact driver with a 15mm socket on the bolt head and a 15mm wrench on the nut, remove all 4 bolts to detach the bumper. The factory lights are mounted to the bumper with 3 bolts on each side. Using a ratcheting wrench and a 10mm socket, remove the hardware and carefully take off both lights. Once the lights are removed, set the bumper aside for the next step. Step 2. Assemble DRT front bumper. Begin by attaching your factory or new DRT fair lead. Using the provided hex bolts, install the 2 side panels. Start by hand threading the 3 bolts on each side to ensure proper alignment. Once all hardware is in place and hand tight, use a 16mm wrench to fully secure the bolts. With both side panels installed, repeat the same process to attach the bull bar. The bull bar uses the same hardware and mounts to each side panel with 3 bolts. Next, install the factory lights into the new bumper. The lights are designed to fit directly into place and can be secured using the provided button head hardware. Use a 4mm hex tool to tighten the hardware. Step 3. Install bumper on vehicle. Begin by attaching the lower mounting bracket using the provided hardware. Using an impact driver with a 16mm socket and a 17mm wrench, begin fastening the hardware. Do not over-tighten, as you may need to adjust the bracket to properly align with the bumper. Next, install the upper mounting brackets and secure both sides using the same tools as the lower bracket, leaving the hardware slightly loose to allow for adjustment during bumper installation. With the mounting brackets in place, align the bumper to the brackets. Start by installing the 2 button head bolts on each side of the bumper. Note that you may need to use a drift pin to help align the mounting holes. Use a ratcheting wrench with a 6mm hex bit to secure these bolts. The bottom of the bumper is secured using 3 smaller button head bolts. Tighten these using a 5mm hex tool. Once the bumper is fully installed and properly aligned, go back and fully tighten all mounting bracket hardware. If you have any questions during the installation, feel free to contact us via phone or email. Our support team is here to help. To stay up to date on the latest DRT Motorsports products and events, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook and Instagram.